Hey, it's Creatastic. I'm doing a tutorial on how to make a shirt into a scarf. So first thing, oh, I got this from Route 21, $2. Okay, so first you would take the shirt, turn it to the back so you can't see the tag or collar or whatever. Then get the, oh yeah, by the way, you need a long sleeve shirt. So take the sleeve and wrap it around so it should look like this. Then tuck it in each side, and then there you go. See, looks cute. So that was a quick and easy tutorial on how to make a shirt into a scarf. Doesn't cost much. I mean, I got it for $2. So hope that helps you.